brought the girlfriend and the dogs. She's right over here. Let me hear. Yeah, you haven't met her yet. Because when I saw you guys at the track, she wasn't with me. Mandy. This is Mary, Ozzy, and Mandy. So it is, what time is it? 7:51. Mandy's still asleep. We're getting ready to go film starting 10 o'clock. We'll be filming for 25 hours because it's daylight savings. So getting all warmed up here. The dogs are under there. Getting dressed in front of this heater and wish me luck. We're already up. We're already awake.
Oh no!
Mary, that's like way off the ground. GoPro's not doing it, but. That's 10 right now. Good luck, buddy.
Violent. Wow, so I can synchronize my senses with you autopilots. Is stupid the new stylish? Is dreamer the new childish? Is your face in a book but only underneath your profile pic? Is there a way to really ever get up off the grid? A peaceful place to talk and sit here where we all can live. My aunt walked through the river Jordan in the final minutes and Lord I want.
So we've been shooting about 7 or 8 hours into the race, already low light conditions. So we're gonna switch over to faster glass and loom cubes. So it is 9:35. I have to plug this phone in. Been filming for about, if you don't count before the race, since the race started, we've been filming for 11 hours. All on Sony Alpha cameras and juggling batteries. Here's Mandy.
How many hours?
We're
What time is it?
I've been filming for 11 hours and we have
So it's
13 hours left because daylight savings, like I was just saying.
exactly 11 hours they've been doing it. Here, Oz. Ozzy.
Mandy's burning her shoes, but I'm using these Loom Cube lights. Look how bright this is. One light. Called Loom Cube.
One, two.
I'm gonna put the link right on this light. out here shooting. It's like 10 or so at night. Pretty gnarly. I'm on the 110, like a mile away from camp. Sorry, I'm shaky, I'm exhausted. It's crazy. Here comes somebody. A lot of these dudes have been going for 12 hours now. I'm gonna start nuking it back towards camp. Do you guys think you want to be action sports filmers or film cool stuff? It's 1:29 in the morning. I've been out here filming since like 8:30 or something. Filming a 24-hour off-road race. Have not slept. Sick army roll, dude. That was cool. The calm after the storm. You ready to go, princess? We're still loading up as usual. Mary, are you ready to go or what? Looked like it. Alright, Oz.